So welcome to KNUSC Street Views. And then menya samalogo spring give you I say. My name is Chicho Komo Wabagana. My name is please what's your name?
John. My name is John.
John. Your friend is John. So what's happening today? KNUSC Parade Grounds. What's happening here?
Yeah, the food festival from the KNUC. So you can try different foods and also innovative foods, which are new. I don't know, I just tried Tom Brown. I've never had it before, but it's good.
Yeah. We've been at Tom Brown, we do our thing, yeah. So tomorrow is Valentine, you know, right?
Yeah.
So since you came to Ghana, have you had a girlfriend or something you're going to be celebrating the Valentine with?
No.
You don't have a girlfriend here?
No.
But you have a girlfriend outside to be celebrating with?
Also no.
Also no. So do you want one from KNUSC?
I'm not sure. I have to go back in a few months, so...
Okay. Are you a student?
I'm a student, yeah. I'm an exchange student.
What?
Exchange student. Exchange student.
Exchange student.
So for 1 semester.
So Sunday we'll talk about saying no exchange. Amazing.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice
Tell the lovers, those who are watching the Valentine, what's up? Tell them something.
Yeah, have a fun day tomorrow. Enjoy your day with your partner. It's great. Valentine's Day.
Amazing. So this video was sponsored by Pop Daddy inside the University Hall, Katanga. If you want any Apple products, look out to Pop Daddy. Thank you very much.